Oh, it's a beautiful, cool morning here in my Florida backyard. And the wind is blowing and the leaves of the trees. Oh, just listen to that. Every morning, try to get outside and get the sunlight to reset your internal clock in the brain of the pineal gland. You will be so happy you did, and you will sleep so much better. We are on week 2 of our walking challenge, and I hope that you are doing great and that you're keeping up with it. Every day I will bring you a new tip, or every week I should say, of the benefits of getting out in nature and walking. Just look at that beautiful, beautiful sky, beautiful breeze, beautiful trees, beautiful sunlight, fresh, clean, clear air. Even an airplane going by doesn't bother me. Sign up for my mailing list and join one of my Sunshine Maker membership club programs. It's a great deal. You'll get products that will help you to express your modern lifestyle, be happier, healthier now and in the years to come. I'll be helping you every step of the way. Keep creating in the sunshine, my friends. Have a beautiful, sunshiny day. Bye-bye.
Sugar, oh honey, you are my candy girl, and you got me wanting you.
Pick the club that expresses your modern lifestyle, our Nature Therapy Club or our Gratitude Journal Club, maybe the Fitness Walking Club, and also the Pen Pal Club. The link is in the description box below. See you soon in the club.